Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the host. Make sure you have admin rights and the system is updated. Grab the server IP, domain name, and TLS certificate files now so you won't interrupt configuration. Install Stunnel or your chosen TLS tunneling tool and open SSL. Once done, create a dedicated user for the tunnel and set file permissions to 600 for keys. This reduces attack surface and ensures the process can run without elevated interactive sessions while you continue the build. Now you construct the tunnel configuration. Create or verify a 2048-bit or stronger key and matching certificate and place them in the secure path referenced by your config. Edit Stunnel. Conf or your VPN server file to bind the external TLS port and map it to the internal service port. Set ciphers and TLS version to modern defaults. Make sure firewall rules allow the TLS port, enable IP forwarding in Sysctl, and test the config with a dry run mode before starting the service. Finish by starting the tunnel service and enabling it to start on boot. Watch logs to confirm a successful TLS handshake and that the tunnel endpoint is listening. From the client, initiate a connection and verify the certificate chain, server name, and that traffic routes through the tunnel. If something breaks, first check system time and certificate paths, then firewall and NAT rules, and finally cipher or protocol mismatches. Fixing one of those usually resolves connection failures without a full reinstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.